Here is the Honda CR-V and those are the brake lights. In order to access them, we have to first open up the hatch. Now we need to change this entire light assembly. You cannot just change the brake light bulb because it's like one LED strip in there. You can't just change it. You have to change the entire light. It's held in place by two bolts, 1 and 2. You can either use the 8mm socket ratchet combination to get those bolts out. If you're going to use a socket ratchet, get a long extension. It just makes life easier. If you're going to use a screwdriver, you need to use a PH2 screwdriver. And if you use this, make sure you push down on the bolt head first and then you twist it left, or else you'll end up stripping that bolt head off. Let's just go ahead and get that one bolt out. Repeat the process for the second one. Now grab the light at the bottom with one hand and one hand on the top and just try to shake it left right side by side. That's gonna loosen it up, and once it's loose like this, there's some movement over there, then you give it one push towards the back of the car and it'll pop right out. Now there's one electrical connector there, so press down right where I'm pressing with my thumb, and while it's pressed down, pull the connector off the light. And this clip over there, do not try to just pry it from outside using the screwdriver. It's not going to work. Instead, approach it from the back. Get a flathead screwdriver and press down over there. And while it's pressed down, pull the clip out. Once I get it out, I'll show you exactly what it is that I'm pressing on. It'll come right out. Right over there, you see that? That's where you push on and then you pull it out. Now there's one electrical connector for the light. That little cutout, it goes on the white pin there on the body. There's two holes for the bolts. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon. Get the electrical connector onto this light. Once it's in position, slide it on. It only goes on in one way. Make sure that slot, that cutout slot, goes onto that white clip. This pin at the top, the alignment pin, it lines up over there properly. Just check these holes over here for the bolts. Make sure they're lining up properly. At this point, just give it a push and it'll pop right in. Now get the bolts and tighten them up one by one. Basically the reverse process of what we did when we took it out. And that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.